morning everyone.
Good morning,
In this
sir.
class, today we are going to start a new chapter which is Judiciary, which is our chapter number 4. In this chapter we are going to express the meaning of judiciary. So what is judiciary? Judiciary consists the system of court which interprets the laws and applies in our country. It also gives judicial reviews and give all type of fundamental rights justice. In this system, there is a hierarchical relationship in the courts in which there is at the highest or topmost body which is Supreme Court. At the middle, this is High Courts. And in India, at present there is 25 High Courts. And at the lower level, there are subordinate and district courts which are in each districts. So the subordinate courts are deals with the level of local level or district. Okay, and at the High Court, the cases are of appellate and original jurisdiction, and at the topmost, Supreme Court deals with the original jurisdiction and the appellate jurisdiction. As you all know that Supreme Court is established in the year 1950 of 26 January, which is also celebrated as the Republic Day. And Supreme Court is the topmost body for giving the justice.
And the legislative bodies are made are work together to safeguard the human's rights such to
Yes.
Good morning all of you. Today myself Dipanta Pramanik from class 8 Achiever is here to discuss about the function of judiciary, that is judicial review. It's a challenge to a process of decision, not the decision itself. It's a legal process that allows a court to supervise the executive and legislative branch of the government. If the judiciary believes that the laws are violated by the basic structure of the society, then it has the right to reject that law. It also has a legal power to review the action of the government that they are going in line with the basic law of the constitution or not. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Here we are the students of class 8 stand up for present the topic the structure
the case